All right, mate. Let's have a look here. TRX. Um, how much is left in TRX? It's tough to say. It's been a long time since we're up here. I would probably think that there's a chance for a dip next week. You can't rule that out anyway. Like this would be something what I would expect. Maybe you see this large big green candle close strong, then there's a pump higher into next week, and then maybe it might fail and get a bit of selling. That's a possibility, um, because we're into this very important area. Like I mean, you can see this pivot here, this pivot here. We're kind of into this area, so it should, in theory, cause some sort of resistance up here. It's up 15% on the day. Um, so I don't think there is too much room to run before a dip, um, because of these reasons. However, I mean, it's tough to know for sure. It's very strong right now, but this in itself is a large bullish pattern. And the dips should be a buying opportunity. If we did dip down there, you can see all these moving averages pushing up on price. So the trend in theory now should be up. Even if we do dip, it should present a buying opportunity. If you're in it, I mean, you could consider taking some profits, take some off the table. I do think there'll be some higher prices, like I mentioned here. When you get a really strong week, price is inclined to go some higher on the next week. If you're thinking of buying it, um, I would trade the new weekly candle and be very careful. We definitely could get another week up like this. Can there be a second week up? It's possible, but I would be careful after large candles like this and into this sort of important area here.